Here we've got a 2012 c250 CDI. We're doing the water pump, as you can see. We've already got it prepared a little bit. So the screws are 7 of these T30. We'll show you the tool. There's a T30 with a hole in the middle. So we'll take this old one off. As you can see there, that's the old one. You see that it's gone. Seal's busted. Here's the new one. See the seal's already on there.
Make sure this one is on.
Make sure the seal's intact and not cracked.
It's clean.
Clean, should I say, not cracked. Seven bolts. And we'll be back with the next video. Thank you.